Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how to install Cheat Engine safely and without any viruses. So first of all, open your web browser and click on the link which I've put in the description. It is cheatengine.org, and don't click on anything here. Only click on this button that says download Cheat Engine and make sure it's not an ad, that it's an actual button. And if it asks you if you want to keep the file, or if it says that it's a virus or something, just download it anyways. If you have clicked the right download button and are on the right website, then there's no virus and it's completely safe. And once you've clicked on it, you should probably get a screen like this. So you just install it wherever you'd like. Once it's installed, you just open your file explorer and go to downloads and run cheatengine.exe. You need to click on yes, select English, click on next, skip all, and then once it's installed, just click on finish. If you want the tutorial, you can run it. I don't want it. Just close everything, and you have now successfully installed Cheat Engine. Thank you for watching. Subscribing helps me out. Goodbye.